Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the fantastic stuff shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne, right here in Australia.
Including whatever is in these boxes.
That's right, this is, it's quite funny. Ruben and I had a number of things to film this morning, and we've kind of got to these ones and gone, can you remember what's in these? What? No.
So we, everyone else will probably know far before us. Does that tell you?
It does.
Hey, you now know.
I do know. These are relatively cool.
It's literally just me that doesn't. What is it, dramatic irony or something when the audience knows something that we don't?
Yeah. I love the fact that they box them up securely. Really makes for painful time on unboxings.
Far better to have it that way than to have some holes in the side of your bullion boxes.
That's exactly right too. So, alrighty.
Let's get a look in there. More padding. We've got a box, inside some padded, very big babushka doll vibe.
Yes.
The Russian nesting dolls.
Rip in. So, I'm going to need gloves for this one.
Oh, I just saw what they were. Yeah. Very cool.
They are very cool.
Something new for us.
It is. I need a surface to probably there.
Upside down, Miss Jane.
These are a thing from Scottsdale, so new for us. There's one on the other side as well, so you can see. Get some context there. So these are a. So what weight are they, Ruth?
100 grams.
100 grams. I was going to launch in with that, but it wasn't game enough. So these are a 100 gram silver bar, so 49 silver.
Yep.
And it's Year of the Snake. So that really cool design. The snake design on there. I need to put my glasses on so I can have a bit of a closer look.
Well, one of the things I'm looking at there is some serial numbers down the bottom, and I think we've got very close to the first batch. Because this one says number 6.
That's number 4.
Yeah. Could we have a bar number 1? There we go. Very cool, Scottsdale.
Bar number 2.
I mean, I'm guessing we've got the run at this point.
Well, I think we're missing number 3. There you go. I don't know what we'll do with number 1. We might do something. Oh, no, this will be number 3. You watch.
There you go. Very cool.
I say you can get sequential numbered ones because that always does our heads in trying to get everything sequential numbered.
Yeah.
But we do have sequentially numbered, and we have no number 7 there, but it's probably in here somewhere.
Yeah.
And I've got them out of order.
But still, it's super cool to see.
Sequentially numbered snake 100 gram bars from Scottsdale.
There you go.
Unbelievable. So look, we're not guaranteeing you a specific number. I want to make that right clear from the start because A, I have no idea what numbers we've got through here, and B, it's horrendous to have to sort through because somebody wants number 21 and somebody wants 113 and somebody wants 582 and it just doesn't work. So please don't say I would like specific order something or other because we'll probably just end up cancelling your order because it's all too hard. But these are now available. They are in stock. We have a good chunk of them.
Yeah.
The Lunar Year of the Snakes, and they are fascinating and different take on the Lunar Year. So we're very used to seeing the coins coming out of Perth Mint and the Canadian mints and a lot of the other mints. Very few mints actually do bars. There are a few, but not too many of them. This is the Scottsdale one, and I think it's a winner. So they'll be up on the website right now.
Yeah, to break it down even again into them being cast bars, because we see the likes of Pamp do their Lunar minted bars, and they've done 100 grams before, but I haven't seen one of these done in a cast like this before. I also don't know if this is their.
I can't think of any in the cast off the top of my head.
Yeah, I also haven't seen previous years of this. I can't say that I've seen the dragon or the tiger. They might have released them and we've just missed them, but yeah. Let us know down in the comments if you know, or at least future Ruben can when he's taking a look at the head of this. But I don't think I've seen the previous one. So cool to see them start something like this up, or at least continue if we just haven't been aware of it.
Yeah, fantastic design, fantastic bar, and in stock as we speak right now.
Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.